Hi guys, you are all welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to make your pictures talk. I will teach you how to generate AI videos from your pictures using AI.
Sophia, can you please be fast with the introduction? You are taking a lot of time doing that. Didn't you see how I did mine in the previous video?
Yes, of course. I saw it, but it was not good enough. That is why I have decided to do it myself the right way. In case you don't know, an intro video should have a summary of what the viewer should expect from the video and not the other way round, like you did.
What is wrong with you? Why don't you take simple corrections? You always think you are right in everything you do. Why?
Young man, what's the problem? Why can't you let her do her job? As much as I can see, she doing it well. She is in fact good at her job, and with what she has exhibited her, I can say she is professional presenter. And that's the Nigeria I want to build, where your job will match up with your qualifications.
Is that you, His Excellency Peter Obi, the only president of the Republic of Nigeria? Sir, you are the only president we voted for.
Yes, it's me. Or do I look different to you?
No, you don't look different, just that your voice has changed. This is not your voice, I know your voice. Your voice rings a bell in my head, it rings New Nigeria is possible.
A new Nigeria will begin with good leadership. Everything rises and falls on leadership. And as a good leader, I will honest and transparent to you. This is not me. This is not the real me speaking. I am not the one speaking. This is just a picture of me speaking. It was done using AI. You're not my younger brother, so I owe you the truth.
Wow, you are not real too. Me, I am not real as well. Both my voice and image was generated using AI. I'm so surprised, I thought I'm the only one.
In case you don't know, even Sophia is not real. Anyways, let's just let her finish up with the introduction because our viewers can't wait to digest the information and value from this video.
Sophia, the professional presenter, for your mind, you can now continue in peace.
So guys, like as I was saying before, I was unintelligently interrupted by my friend Emeka. If you want to know how to make your pictures talk or bring your photos to life, make sure you watch to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started.
So guys, let's get into the video right away. I won't be wasting much of your time. The conversation you just heard is not actually real. Those are just pictures talking. That conversation is between myself, Peter Obi, and an unknown person. Those conversations are from pictures. They are pictures that are actually talking. Those are not the real persons that are talking. So guys, let me show you how you can actually do it. The first step that you have to take is to go over to your browser. I'm going to be using the Chrome browser in this tutorial today. You can use any browser that you have, be it Phoenix, be it Opera Mini. Just tap on it. So let me tap on my Chrome browser. So guys, once you open up your Chrome browser, what you have to search for is D-ID. That means DID. You can see it on the screen, D-ID. So let me type it, D-ID. So guys, you can see it up there. So let me tap on enter. So guys, once you tap on enter, it's going to show you all of these results. The result that you have to tap on is on the first one. You can see it there, DID, make AI generated video. So let me tap on it. So guys, this is the platform that you can actually use to make a picture to talk. But before we do that, I want us to convert this mobile view to a desktop view. Why I'm asking you to do that is because this platform does not support mobile view, so you have to convert it to a desktop view. Desktop view also means the PC view, your laptop view. So when we enable the desktop site, we're going to be able to view this platform using the desktop view. So for you to do it, you have to tap on the three horizontal dots at the top right corner. So let me tap on it. Then you scroll downwards, you're going to see where it is written desktop site. What you have to do now is to toggle it on. You have to check it. So let me tap on it. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. Before I tap on it, let me let you know something. Once I tap on it now, it's going to change this our interface. The interface of this mobile view will change it to a desktop view. So let me tap on it. Guys, just check out now. Wow guys, you can see now we've converted the mobile view to a desktop view. If you have to bring a laptop now and you search for this platform, this is how it's going to look on the laptop. So we're having a desktop view of this site on our phone. So guys, after you've done that, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, let me zoom in a little so that you can see what is written there. Let me zoom in. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on free trial. So let me tap on it. So guys, once you log in for the first time, this is the interface you're going to see. So let me take my time to explain this interface. Let me explain every feature that is here in this interface. On my left hand side, you're going to see 6 features over there. The first one is create video. You can see the arrow pointing at it. If you want to create a video from your picture, then you tap on that one. Then the second one is video library. That's where you're going to find all the videos you've made using pictures. If you want to look for your videos that you've made using pictures, then you tap on it. The third one is for developers. The fourth one is for support. In case you're having any issue, then you can report them. In case you're having any issue using this platform, you can go there for help. The last one is pricing. This app is actually giving you free trial. You can go ahead to make videos up to 20 times using this app without paying a dime. Let's say after you're done using your free trial and you're impressed with this platform, you can actually go ahead to subscribe to this app. The subscription fee is actually low. Anyone can actually pay for it. But for this tutorial, we are using the free trial and anyone can also use the free trial. So guys, also on the bottom left corner, we have 2 features new in DID. So if you want to find new updates in this platform, then you tap on where the arrow is pointing. The last feature there is my Google account, and if you look closely, you're going to see that it has 5 credits left. That means I have to use this app 5 more times for my free trial to end. They gave me 20 credits, so it's remaining 5 credits. So I have 5 times left to use this app for free. So guys, that's all with this interface. Also, if you look at the top, you're going to see where it is written create video. If you actually want to create video, you can tap on it as well. Remember, we also have a create video icon on the left, so we have 2 places where you can actually tap to create your video. So guys, it's actually important I explain all of these features so that you won't have problem when we are actually creating our video. So let me tap on create video on the left. So guys, if you notice, immediately I tap on create video, we have so many other features that came up. On the right hand side, at the top as well, if you look at the top, you're going to see we have more feature there, and also at the base we have another feature as well. So guys, let me explain these new features that just pop up immediately I tapped on the create video. At the top, you're going to see that we have untitled video. If you actually want to title this video that you want to create now, all you have to do is to tap on it, then you give your video a title. Then on the right hand side, let me zoom in a little bit. So guys, this is where you're going to put in your script. You're going to type in the text and the words, the sentences that you want this picture or your image to speak. So those sentences and grammar that you want your picture to talk or speak, you have to put it down there. You have to type it there. And also let me scroll down so you see other features, and you can see where it is written language. So let me zoom in a little bit. You can see here we have language. So guys, let's start with the first one, which is language. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. If you tap on it now, you're going to see different kinds of language. You're going to see Chinese, Japanese, English. You're going to see different kinds of English: United Kingdom English, United States English, Nigerian English, Indian English. You're going to see so many languages there. And also on the second feature, which is voices, you can see the arrow pointing at it. There we have male and female voices. Under the female voice, they have different voices, and also under the male voice, they have different voices. And the last one is style. And the last option is styles. You can see the arrow pointing at it. When you tap on it, you're going to see different kinds of mode. If you want the picture to talk in a happy mood, then you can go ahead to select the happy mood. If you want the picture to talk friendly or to talk in a sad way, there are different styles that you can actually choose for the picture to talk with. So guys, in this tutorial today, I'm going to use all of these features so that you get to understand it better. So now let's go back to the base of this interface so I explain the base for you. So guys, down here you're going to notice that we have so many presenters. Let me zoom in a little bit so you see it clearly. So guys can see we have so many presenters here. The first 5 pictures are the pictures that I uploaded from my gallery. The first 2 pictures are my pictures. The third one is the picture of Cristiano Ronaldo. The fourth one is an army general, while the fifth one is Lionel Messi's picture. On this section, you can also scroll down to see more presenters. So let me show you guys. You can see you have so many presenters that you can choose from. So guys, all you have to do now is to choose the picture that you want. All these presenters, you can actually use their picture to convert them into videos. You can see here, I can go ahead to choose my picture. You can see my picture is being selected. That's why you can see my picture up here. That's why you can see my picture here. So whichever picture you choose down here is what is going to appear at the top. You can see at the top here, you can find my picture. That's because I selected down here my own picture. You can see here my picture here is selected. If I select another picture now, you're going to see that it's going to change up here. So let me select a new picture. Let me tap on this one here, which is also my picture, and let me scroll upwards. So guys can see now it have changed. So guys, this is how it works. So let me zoom out so that I can see the whole of the screen. So guys, let's go ahead now to make our picture talk. The first step that you have to take now is to title your video. So let me title my video, let me tap on it. Then let me title it tutorial video. So guys, I've given it a title which is tutorial video. Let me tap on enter. So guys, you can see now it's now tutorial video. So let me zoom out a little bit. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to choose your presenter, is to choose your image. So let me go ahead to choose another image. I don't want to use my own image. Let me choose another person. What am I going to choose now? So let me choose this second to the last image. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see now the picture I selected now has come to the top. So guys, the next thing you have to do now is to type in your script. So guys, for you to type in your script, you have to tap on that place. So let me tap on it. So let me type in the script I want my picture to speak from. So let me type it in. So guys, you can see here now, let me zoom in a little bit. You can see here, this is what I want this picture to speak. You can see, hi guys, I believe you have gotten value from this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So this is what I want this picture to speak from. So guys, once you're done inputting your script, the next step that you have to take now is to choose a language. So let me zoom in a little bit. Let me scroll to the left. So guys, for you to choose a language, you can see where the arrow is pointing. You tap on them. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see now we have Indian English, we have Ireland English, we have Kenya English, we have New Zealand English, we have Nigerian English, we have Philippines English. If you keep scrolling, you're going to keep seeing languages. We have South African English, we have United States English, we have UK English, we have French, we have Canada, we have Greek, we have Indian, we have Hindi, we have so many language, Italian language, Irish language. So guys, all you have to do is to choose the language that you want, the country that you want. So let me choose Nigerian English. So let me tap on it. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see now Nigerian has been chosen and English has been chosen. So let's go back to the second option now, which is voices. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see here, let me zoom in a little bit and let me scroll to the right. So guys, you can see now we have female voice and male voice. So let me go for female voice since my picture is a female voice. So let me tap on it. You can see the name is Ezinne. So let me tap on it, which is actually an Igbo name. So let me tap on it. So guys, now we've chosen language and we've also chosen a voice, a female voice. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to have a preview of what this voice will sound like. You have to listen to the sound if it's actually what you're going to like or not. And for you to do that, you have to tap on that speaker icon. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So let me tap on it already.
Hi guys, I believe you have gotten value from this.
Wow guys, you can see this is how it is done. So guys, once you're done with all of this, let me zoom out a little bit. Let me zoom out so that we can see the whole of the screen. So guys, this is the whole of the screen right now. We've been able to add our title, we've been able to add our script, we've been able to choose a language, we've been able to choose a voice. So guys, once you're done with all of this now, what you have to do next is to tap on generate video. You can see the generate video icon at the top right corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it once. So guys, you can see it's calculating. So guys, let me zoom in a little bit so you see the wordings. So guys, you can see here the video length is 11 seconds while the video name is tutorial video. So what you have to do now is to tap on generate. So let me tap on generate. So guys, you can see it's generating our video. You can see our video is generating at the top. You can see the title tutorial video. You can see the time August 16, 2023. So guys, you can see it's loading up. Let's just wait for a while. This is going to take just a few minutes, then our video will be ready. Well guys, you can see our video is ready, so let me tap on it. So guys, you can see it's loading up. So guys, let me tap on the video to play it. So guys, remember this is actually a white woman that is using a Nigerian voice. So if it sounds funny to you, don't blame me. So let me tap on it.
Hi guys, I believe you have gotten value from this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel.
Wow guys, you can see this is so awesome, this is so mind-blowing. So guys, for you to actually download this video, you can see the download icon there on the left hand side. You can see the arrow pointing at it. For you to download, you just tap on it, then to be downloaded directly into your gallery. So let me tap on download. So guys, you can see downloading. So guys, you can see file downloaded. This is so awesome. So now let me go back to my phone gallery to confirm it. Let me cancel out of this. Let me go over to my gallery now. Let me tap on my gallery. Then let me tap on the first video there. You can see it. Let me tap on it. And let me play the video once again.
Believe you have gotten value from this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel.
Wow guys, this is so awesome, and I believe you're actually surprised that this is so easy to do. And I've come to the end of this video, and I know you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.